Good morning, everybody. 2:30 something in the morning. Woke up at 12:45, trying to be quiet because others are sleeping. And we're on our way to visit Batu. 2:23 in the morning. We just hit all the cars to get into Hollywood Studios. Just the parking lot. Okay, update. We are back at the hotel. Why?
3:04.
3:04 in the morning. Why are we back at the hotel? For the fact that all the cars were lined up, as I just showed you not that long ago at 2:30, and people were sitting on the side of the shoulder on the right hand side
because we knew that the parking lot wasn't open, and so all the cars had gone over, you know, so that the road wasn't blocked. And all of a sudden the cop car shows up, gets on the megaphone and tells people to get off the shoulder. So we all get off the shoulder and we're all still trying to get there.
So what happens is they make us do the U-turn to go around, and I was like, crap. So let's go back in line. We're gonna stay to the shoulder area and we're just gonna wait.
Get on the shoulder.
But not get on the shoulder. Well, here, cops still directed everybody to do a U-turn, and we just at this point said, screw it. We're driving back to the hotel, so now I'm waiting for a bus
and
to see if we can get over there.
One of our buddies that's coming from his house said that they had tried, and now they have cones even blocking to get in.
Yeah.
Like to even form a line.
Exactly. So this is already starting off wonderfully. So we'll keep you updated.
There's a line for the bus already that we saw when we were driving.
Okay, so maybe we'll get on this bus. Maybe. We're here, we have made it. Again, for the third time. But this is happening now.
And we took the car.
Yeah, and we ended up taking the car. We're going in! It's finally happening! We're walking!
4 a.m.
Is that what time it is? 4 a.m.?
A little after 4.
A little after 4, we're going in.
Opening and it's dark out.
I know.
But typically if it's just dark out, we're walking the other way.
They're still holding.
Oh, okay, we're holding right now. We got our official Star Wars Galaxy's Edge map here. And it's pretty sweet, you can see. It kind of like shimmers. And I'm loving it.
We are excited you're here today to be one of our first guests traveling to Blackspire Outpost. For the enjoyment and safety of our guests, and so that as many guests as possible can experience it too, our cast will begin guiding you further into the park for your adventure in a galaxy far, far away. Thank you, and enjoy your time here at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
So we're going. We're going.
I'm following.
I feel like you're having some kind of time. I don't know everyone, please stay on the street. Please stay on the street. Good morning, right son. Whatever it is.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What do we got? Traveler's Guide.
We are like pretty far forward.
Yeah, we're 100% getting in. Yeah, we're golden. We're in about 45 a.m. We're going into the land. We will make it in. We're probably first of 500 so far. I would say, if I took a guess, about 500 people. So you're gonna cruise with us right now, and we're gonna go through this tunnel non-stop, no edit. I wish they would have played like Storm March.
They might be, and you just can't hear it.
Shut it down. Once again, into go.
That was close. It looks so cool at night.
The lighting.
Oh, it looks awesome. Gives you that Pandora feel. That's fun. Look for the hunk of junk.
Yeah, right. It's going.
Chewy's out!
No, I can hear him though. And Ray.
Stormtroopers are out!
Look at it! And it's beautiful! Babe, a little bit.
General Kenobi.
It's about to happen, Mom.
Stand by 10 minutes.
That's fine. I don't know if we're in the single or the standby.
I don't know.
What did you do? Hey, why would somebody shave me? Oh, come on. Are you guys messing with me? Seriously, Honda wants this thing fixed and back on a ship today.
They usually ground it to a 5.
We only waited about 30 minutes.
Okay, so we're down there. That looks like what we might need to have. All the way forward, travelers. All the way forward to my
See, now you're breaking up. Yeah, dear, rather much. You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. Recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. And it's good you made it back. Good for you.
We're going to be gunners. We're gonna do terrible. I got bad aim.
The greatest pilots, gunners, and we've got our engineers. Come on, guys, come on in. There we go. The fire blasters have the round button to fire missiles. Oh, I don't remember that.
Protecting in the doorway, and you guys are fixing in the doorway, okay? All the way.
Okay.
Can't read.
All the way up to the front for me, pilots, followed by the gunners, and then those engineers. Once you are seated, I'm going to have you fasten those seatbelts.
I don't know. Doesn't matter now.
And then once you see those flashing buttons, you can go ahead and press them. It'll activate your suit. Same with you, pilots. Go ahead and press those flashing buttons. It'll activate your station. Alright, then pull up. Perfect. Alrighty, guys.
Flight engineers, repair next. Hit your flashing button. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. They block onto us. Take evasive action. Leader of Coaxia. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center.
take this cargo elevator down. It should come up here in just a moment. There's only one option to choose from.
Just walk around a little bit. This is that empty space over there.
Oh, there's nothing back that way? That way? Can you get your picture?
X-Wing. Nice. Oh, look at the seats, Lisa. It's hard to tell, but these are seats. You need water at 6 a.m. because it is warm. Maybe hard to tell, but look at these trash cans. They're so awesome looking.
Here's your cat.
But I remember the guys who were wearing. Remember that whole table?
To the very front. Yeah, this is the line, and this isn't the end of the line for Smuggler's Run. This is probably, if I had to put a guess on it, I'd say about midway and probably about a 3 hour. I'd say this is probably about two and a half, maybe 3.
The line from the very end was a 5 hour. 5 hour wait.
Not open right now, not till December. This will be the second ride that will open. And you can see some of the queue line right in here a little bit. Just a little bit. Can't wait for this one to open. So you can see here, we're at the entrance to get into Galaxy's Edge, and this line here is all for that Smuggler's Run. This is about that 5 hour, turn into maybe 6.
Droid mark.
Oh yeah. Hard to tell, but we have droid marks right down here. That's really cool.
I noticed the stuff on the ground.
Yeah, you always look down, I always look up. Really good detail if you look to the ground. You can see the little foot marks right there.
It doesn't be like a giant ball. Do we both need to join?
Right now it's time to queue up.
We just heard from a cast member that the end of the line to Millennium Falcon is all the way right down there.
Sunset Boulevard.
Yeah, by Sunset Boulevard. That's crazy. We just left the land right now. The
And
land
it only took us 30 to 45 minutes to get through the ride.
Yeah, that wasn't bad at all. 30, 45 minutes. I give it close to 45 minutes. However, we're going to now check out, or we're going to attempt to check out. They're having opening day merchandise that is not in Galaxy's Edge. So the land is at capacity. So right by Baseline Tap Room, we have this group right up here that is being held for the next boarding group to get in.
Good morning, if you're empty, please go through Baseline Tap House.
Here is the next boarding queue.
You snooze, you lose.
So just to show you guys, since Galaxy's Edge is open, Hollywood Studios opens up at 6 a.m. It is currently 6:22, so you can kind of see what the park looks like.
It's dark out.
I mean, I could have got a fast pass at 6:15 for Rock and Roller Coaster.
Back to bed.
Oh yeah, we're going.
It's a filter cup.
Oh, it is a filtered one.
$22. Really? That's not bad at all.
For $22, you get a filtered water bottle.
Yeah.
Not bad. Oh, you got the fleece down here, the Black Spire Outpost throw. Sorry, I dropped it. It's 6:30 in the morning. $60. You got the little Christmas ornament here. This is cool. This is going for $25. You have the women's Black Spire Outpost t-shirt here, going for $35. The bag, which is going for $35 as well. We have the Black Spire mug here going for $17. We got a Millennium Falcon coffee mug here. This going for $23. This feels nice. This got like rubber right there. Amazing. Lisa's got something really cool.
There's buttons. They're not doing anything.
That's okay. This is a BB-8 cup here. Lisa's playing with it, so I'm going to show this one.
No, oh, it lights up somewhere. Because there's that button, and then there's these buttons.
But how cool is this?
Something.
Look at the head of this thing. It's amazing. It's only $25. We got the Galaxy's Edge 2019 Polo here that is going for, what'd I say, $50. Women's shirt here, Galaxy's Edge 2019, $35. That is really soft though. Then you have a men's Galaxy's Edge Landing Docking Bay 5. This is a really soft shirt as well. This is going for $35. You have the hats here, the baseball hats. They're going for $30 as well. Annual pass holder exclusive merchandise available here for a limited time.
I don't know if this
So here's the pass holder merchandise, strictly for pass holders. Galaxy's Edge Landing 2019 women's V-neck, going for $35. You can see the pass holder right there on the side. And this is the men's landing with the Falcon right there. This probably going for $35 as well for the pass holder. Oh yeah, phone cases.
Oh, it's textured.
Oh, it is textured. That's cool. That's going for $35 for the phone cases there. Look at this huge C-3PO.
He does talk, it's just hard to hear right
It's
now.
kind of like quiet. How much is he going for? Because he would look great next to my droids, since I have 3 of them, the big ones.
You're not getting it.
Was $120?
Not that bad. 60.
60. Actually, that's not that bad for as big as this is. $60. That is so awesome. What is it? Oh, okay.
The made up guy.
Yeah. Just some action figures here. We got some Porgs, we got Rey, Chewie, and we got the made up Hondo.
Why did they make up?
Well, that's gonna do it for us this morning, because the sun is just starting to come out.
I'm going to bed.
Yeah, and we're gonna go to bed. But, you know, the land was really cool. I mean, it was hard to tell what the land was because it was, you know, 4:30 in the morning. So we're gonna come back another day during the daytime so we could check it out. But other than that, the line to get in onto Smuggler's Run was, like what Lisa said, about 45 minutes.
Oh, for us.
Yeah, about 45 minutes for us. It's now like probably at a 6 or 7 hour wait. We got into, they opened up the park at 4:30.
No, they
opened it up, the park at 3.
Opened
Yeah.
it at 4. Like that we could actually get
To the
in our
front
magic
gate.
band and through the front gate. And then they held us right here. What felt like forever.
Yeah, and then once we got into, they let everybody into Galaxy's Edge at 4:45.
Yeah.
I called it like 5 o'clock. I was like, oh, yeah, I just saw 15 minutes, but not too bad. It's what, 6:30 now? I don't know. It's something in the morning.
I never slept last night.
Yeah, we didn't sleep. She didn't sleep. We're gonna go to bed right now. We'll see you next time, guys. Vlog Finito.